Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today we will review biological products in Homologa. Biological products are definitely a hot topic because currently there are no globally recognized classifications for this type of products. Therefore, Homologa approaches this challenge from a practical perspective, compiling this information following two main principles. Biological products as defined in the original source as it is. Sometimes the products are already registered in the country as a biological formulation. For example, in this label from Bolivia, we can see that it features a biological fungicide. Then the second approach would be according to the active ingredients used in that particular product. Even though it might not be defined as a biological, like we saw in the previous example. This next example is a label from the US, it is featuring, again, a fungicide, but it is defined just as a plain fungicide, but it contains bacillus as an active ingredient. In this case, this product will be treated as biological because of the active ingredients. These are the two approaches that we use in Homologa when it comes to including products as biological. Homologa compiles, at this point, 27,000 different biological products in 84 countries. Filtering these biologicals is quite straightforward because there is a dedicated filter for biologicals in all modules with specific product filters. I can show in this list those 7 modules containing a dedicated product filter. With this information in mind, let us just jump into the tool and see how we can retrieve this information related to biological products in literally a few clicks. Now that we are here in Homologa, we have to identify the module that we would like to use with this specific product filter. We have to go to the Search tab, and then we are going to select, for example, from the Plant Protection Products menu, the Basic Product Information with Crops module. If I click in this module, I am going to get to the module interface, and within the dedicated filters you can see on the left that we have a product filter. Inside the product filter, within the different sub-filters we have product type biological. I am highlighting that here. If I click in this drop-down, you can see that I can select biologicals only, or I can even exclude biologicals. If I select biologicals, let us perform a search for the country, Italy. To do so, I can go ahead and enter Italy as the country. I would like to extract all the biologicals in the crops, including those biological products for Italy. Now I have to run this report. The system will provide me with all the necessary information containing those biological products. You can see that we have almost 100,000 entries containing biological information at the crop level just for Italy. Of course, here we are going to see all those active ingredients related to biological origin and those elements that I was explaining in the beginning of the presentation. This is the end of the video for today. I would like to thank you for joining me today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date with our latest video tutorials. Please also feel free to contact us if you want to have or if you want to ask any questions. Goodbye.